Can you have a seat for me?
No, because if I sit here, it's just gonna make shit worse.
Well, I'm here now.
You're from New York.
I get that.
The nonsense that you guys do in New York here in Florida, we don't play.
On June 16, 2023, officers at an international airport responded to a heated altercation between a man and a woman. What began as a verbal argument quickly escalated, forcing law enforcement to intervene. The situation took an unexpected turn as officers attempted to separate the two and restore order.
Well, I'm here now. So, what exactly happened?
I don't know.
She went down that way. Yeah, she's that way.
Who saw it?
Me. Yeah, I did.
And she attacked you as well?
Yeah, she
Hang on
attacked
for a second. Just
I'm gonna play something French here. We were out here. He was just trying to calm her down, and she's
hold on
down
one
there.
second.
Okay.
Let's go over here and talk. I just need one person.
Okay. Yeah.
I just need one person.
Yeah. She's just my coworker.
I don't need them hearing the story.
Yeah.
Changing their story. So what exactly happened?
So we don't know. Can you turn that down? We don't know exactly what happened. We were in the crew room. That's our crew room right here. So we heard a bunch of shouting. So she was assaulting him, and he
Assaulting? What do you mean by
she was
assault?
kicking him and hitting him and right here. And
She's somewhere down there.
yeah, she's back there with like rainbow hair.
Okay.
So he finally let go of her because he was just trying to hold her down. So he finally let go of her, and then she ran that way, and I believe that she was hitting the lady right there in the hat. And then he went back again and tried to calm her down, and other passengers from like another, they don't know each other, just tried to calm the situation down, and then you can,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
I just wanted to tell you because I don't
When you
want
say assaulting, what did you see?
hands on him.
Can you hands on him like how? Holding
Like
his wrist,
punching
punching,
and
where?
kicking.
Where punching on him? Like
Wherever
in the head?
wherever her hands
So
landed.
she's just like kind of just flaring around?
Yeah, everywhere,
Okay.
but her kicks were trying to get him where it counts.
Oh, so she's trying to kick him in the groin?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
I was the one who called you guys.
Oh, you were the one that called us?
That's why I came.
Sweet, cool. Alright,
We had seen.
is she
Yeah.
down there?
She just walked back down there towards the gates.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just saw her walk down there. That's why I came to approach you.
Okay, okay, I'll go.
So you're good with us?
Would I be able to get you guys on a statement?
Yeah, we're here for a little bit.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
we're okay.
I'm
We're
gonna
here.
need you on a statement too. What's her name?
I don't even want to tell you, bro, because I don't want no charge to be pressed. I just want
Okay,
to go.
I gotta do my investigation out of it.
Just want to see you off of that press charges, nigga.
Hey, brother, I'm here to do my job, right?
I don't even know where she went. Her name is Janine.
Janine what?
Down there.
Well, I don't even know where
Okay,
her name is.
that's cool.
I don't even know where she is.
How long has she been your girlfriend?
3 years.
3 years, and you don't know what her name is?
I mean, I know her name.
Be straight up with me,
But
bro.
I don't want to tell you
I
because you're going to put her in jail and I'll get
that.
blamed for that.
I got a job to do.
It's her fault.
I got a job to do.
Let him do his job.
And I can't even go back to my gate because she tried to hit me too.
Suspect name is Janine Wells.
Are you the one that she was
Yeah.
the attacker up there? Yeah.
Do you have ID on you, sir? Wells.
I know she has.
Sir, do you have ID on you that I can see? Real quick. Appreciate you, man.
What's your name?
Possibly.
She tried to beat me up too, and I need to go to my gate. And she's down there somewhere.
She tried to beat you up like how?
Oh yeah, she tried to.
Hold up, guys. Come on. Give me a second.
Listen, she tried to beat me up. She tried to hit me. Okay. I don't know. I walked past her kicking
them
his
two-
ass.
Them two were having an argument. She tried to step in. and
She's
she
been
went
kicking
after
his
him.
ass since gate 8. All
That's
the
her
way
caller
up here,
right there.
okay?
Okay.
And I just passed by them and I said, girl,
Grab
stop
that.
hitting on
Go
that
to
dude.
contact with her.
For the lady who's shouting there?
Yeah.
She's there.
I got her. Ma'am, stop. Sit down. Sit down. I got her. Gate 23. Can I see your ID, please?
My fiance has my ID.
Honey, what's your location?
Gate 23.
I'm about to call him so he can bring it.
Don't even worry about it. We're ready with him. Hang up your phone.
Well, can you tell him to come get my ID?
Compliant so far.
What do you need to know?
One second.
Because he put his
One
hands on
second.
me as
One
well.
second.
Like, this
One
is
second.
crazy.
Let's just take a breather. Okay. Can you put your phone down for me, please, so you can talk? Like,
I'm trying to contact him. You just asked for my
we
ID.
have him up there. Allow us to do our job, ma'am. Janine, is it?
Janae.
Janae. Okay. Is that your legal name or is that a nickname?
That's my legal name.
Okay. Can you just
W-E.
can we just put the phone down? Put the phone down. All right. Relax. Put the phone down. Let's get through this.
No, because I just
What is your
spent
middle name?
$900 and I can't
What is your
fly.
middle name? Okay, can you tell me exactly what happened between you and Deshaun?
Nothing. We were just arguing on the plane. They told us to get out.
Okay. Anything else?
Then we started arguing back and forth. He slammed me on the ground, and that was that. Like,
Okay, where did you slam me on the ground at?
Over there.
Over there,
And
like
then,
where?
And then the witnesses only seen when I was trying to defend myself, but they didn't see when I slammed him on the ground. I mean,
Okay.
when he slammed me on the ground.
Okay. Okay, so where exactly at?
Over there,
Can
down here. I don't know exactly, but it was.
Was you next to this store right here?
Yeah, like a little bit down.
A little bit farther? That's why I'm trying to. You got to be
Like,
patient
can
with
you
me.
get my charger from him, please?
I'm trying to be patient with you as just as much as you're trying
Can
to
you
be
get my
patient with me.
charger from him? He has
Well,
my charger.
We don't have to worry about that right now. We will handle all that later on. I'm trying to make sure everything is kosher and everybody's telling the truth,
Yes,
right?
I'm good. I'm trying to get my charger. I'm not. Like, I just need to get my charger.
Ma'am, put your phone down,
I
please.
need to get my. This is my mom. I have no way home.
Where's
by
your
her.
mom at?
She's in Rochester. I have
Okay,
no way
so your
home.
mom's not
unless
going to do you any good
she's
right
gonna
now.
come get me. She's gonna come get me.
Okay,
That's what
she's
she
not going to drive here.
Yes,
That's a
she is.
14-hour drive.
Well, I'm
We have
gonna
plenty
get-
of time
I'm
to do
gonna
this
get home
investigation,
somewhere.
ma'am.
I'm gonna get home.
Okay,
somewhere.
would you like to write a statement on this?
No, I just want to get my money back. I have to get home somewhere. I need to get my money back. Period. When is they gonna get my money back? That's what I want. Or how I'm gonna get back to Rochester because I spent
got
all
Dale's
this
number?
money on this plane and they're not doing it.
Based off of what I
For
know
real?
so far, she's going to be primary counsel. Okay. Are you hurt anywhere?
Huh?
Are you hurt anywhere? Are you scratched up? No?
Like, not for something. I don't want to just be sitting here.
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Okay, because I can't tell when you're
I
out.
don't want to just be sitting here. Can I go trying to find another flight or trying to do something? I don't want to do.
Ma'am, myself, I'm very concerned for you right now because
Can I go to
I can smell the alcohol on you. So once these officers get over here, I'm
You
gonna.
can smell the alcohol. Well, I've been drinking in the airport. I had
That's
3
cool.
shots.
That's cool.
You can test the limit or whatever. It's the limit. It's
All right.
the legal
No,
limit. I don't care about it.
cool. I can. If
Okay.
we want to test the legal limit, we can. All right. Can you take
I
off your
just
bag
wanna
real
go
quick
to-
so we can go through some tests?
I just want to go to McDonald's. I mean, I just want to get a new flight. I don't care. I just want to go to Puerto Rico. I pay over $1,000.
Okay, ma'am. Can you put down your phone?
Test the limit. Test
Okay.
it. Without
Okay. I want you to just.
Yes, please come
Can I
get
see your
me.
hands?
For real. Please come get
Can
me.
I see your hands?
Because
Okay.
my
Cool.
sister
Thank you
is
very
coming
much.
to get me. I don't care about none of
Okay.
that.
Can you stick
She's
your hands
coming
out to
get
your
me.
side
Yup,
for me?
I can. I
Can you
walk.
push up right there?
Yup.
Okay, can you turn
I
around
can
right
walk
quick?
side to side. I can do it. And what am I being arrested for? What am I being arrested for?
Don't
Okay,
turn.
I'm not
Don't
forcing
turn.
nothing.
Don't turn.
I'm not forcing.
Thank you.
I'm just talking about what I'm
Domestic
doing.
violence.
What am I being arrested for? So can I go on
Okay,
my
I'll let you know that right when we get there. All right.
sit down, please?
All right. Hang tight. Hang tight.
I'm being arrested, sister. Please call my mom, because I'm being arrested.
Hang tight.
Good night, so my sister.
I just need you to hang tight.
Sis, you call my mom, please.
I'm on the phone. I'm about to hang up.
Call my mom.
All right, go
please.
ahead and hang up, sis.
And I didn't do nothing wrong. He put his hands on me too, so if I'm being arrested,
Everybody's
he should be
saying
arrested.
that you did it.
Have a seat.
If I'm being arrested, he should be arrested too. I don't care.
Okay.
I have
We'll
no
handle that in a
idea.
second.
How did I do
We'll handle that in a
anything? I have these long
This is all your
ass
stuff here?
acrylics on. How did I do anything? How did I do anything?
This all your stuff? This?
The fuck? You talk about you got witnesses. I don't care about
This all
nothing.
hers?
And
That's
Give me my phone, sir. Why you taking my stuff? Can I get my phone?
It's all gonna go with you when we.
Can I get my phone?
Yep.
For real.
Yep. For real.
Because I'm just lost on how like it's being domestic violence. I'm lost. I'm lost on how it's being domestic violence. Why are you guys arresting me? Why are we doing all this? Why am I being arrested?
Is this your chain, ma'am?
Huh? What is my chain? What?
Is that your chain down there?
Where?
right there.
Yes, that's my
Okay,
chain.
hang tight. Hang tight.
And can you
I'll
tell
grab
me what
your, I
I'm
got
being
the bag
arrested
and I'll
for?
grab the bike.
But can
Cool,
you
thanks,
tell
brother.
me what I'm being arrested for?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what?
Once we get to the
But
office,
you
I'll
can't
explain
arrest
everything.
me without telling me what I did.
Battery domestic violence.
Well, he slammed me too, so he
Okay.
should be being arrested as well.
Okay,
I don't
ma'am.
care about
We have to
him.
get up.
He should be being arrested as well.
No, we got to get him to.
He should be being arrested. I don't care. He should be being arrested right along as me
Are we gonna walk
because.
I'll have a cage car come right over.
Okay, but can y'all let me go? I'm not
No,
going
you're going
nowhere.
to jail.
Okay, I'm
You're
not
going to
going
jail.
nowhere though.
For
Can y'all let
acting
me
like a
go?
fool. That's
Okay,
fine.
but can you let me go?
No, you're going to
For
jail.
what?
Be quiet. You're going to
For
jail.
what? I don't
For
care
acting
about
like a
going
fool.
Okay, I
Battery
understand
domestic
I'm going to
violence.
jail, but I don't need to be cuffed up. I'm not going nowhere. It's for
Okay.
police.
You came here acting like a clown, so you're going to
It's
jail.
for
Okay?
police.
Let me explain
Why do I
something to
have
you.
to be cuffed up?
You're from New York.
I get
You're-
that.
The
I get
nonsense that you guys
I get
do in New
that.
York and
I get
Florida,
that.
we don't play.
I get
So
that.
that's why you're
But
going to
why do I
jail
have to
today.
be arrested? It's for men. It's for men. Why do I have to be? Why
You
am
want
I
to
in
put your
cuffs?
hands on people?
Why
This
am
is
I
what
being
happens.
cuffed?
When you put your hands on
He
people,
put his
this
hands
is what
on me, and he
happens.
put his hands on me.
No,
Yes,
he did not. Every single
Bring the-
witness
well,
over there
get the
said
camera.
that.
Get the camera if y'all got video.
Okay,
Get the
well, you're
camera.
going to jail
I don't got no
then, okay?
reason to lie.
So-
I'm going to jail, but uncuff me because it's for men.
Okay,
I'm
ma'am,
a female.
ma'am, we don't do
I'm
that.
110
We don't do that here.
pounds.
We don't do that here.
110 pounds.
We do
though.
not do that here.
I'm
For your safety and for our
110
safety,
pounds.
you're going to be
It's not for my
handcuffed.
So,
safety.
stand up.
Don't touch me.
Stand
Okay,
up.
but don't touch me.
Stand
I'll
up.
stand up on my own. I'll stand up on my
Yeah.
own. Why are you touching me?
Yeah.
Why are you touching me?
Take
Okay,
it to-
but stop forcefully. Stop forcefully. I can walk. Can you let me go? Can you let me go? Let me go. I don't give a fuck. I can walk. I can walk. I can walk on my own. Let me go.
really don't want to drag you out of here. So if you
And I really don't want you to have me that. And I'm walking, but let me the fuck go. Let me the fuck go. I don't like no man touching me in that type of way. I can afford it, break all that. I don't
Then
like
don't
that.
put your hands on men,
I don't
okay?
like that shit. I've been raped and all that. Can you let me go? That brings back memories, all that. Let
Then
me
don't
go.
put your hands on
I don't
people.
care. Let me go. Let me go. I don't care. Why are you got your hands like all that? I can walk. I can walk. I don't need no fucking escort. That's the thing. The fuck? I don't need no escort. I can walk on my fucking own. I don't care what y'all do. I don't care what y'all do. I don't need no escort. You see, I'm walking fine on my own. What did y'all escort me for? And I can walk fine. Where the fuck y'all want me to go? I'll go. Y'all don't need to be putting your hands on me. Trying to tell me walk this way, walk that way. I don't walk. I don't got time for all that. Like, for real, y'all got both hands on me. I'm female. Y'all both men. What do y'all need to be doing all this for? What is we doing all this for? For real, for real. Y'all still can't tell me. Sir, you're
Hey, Sarge,
making my...
can you grab these camera numbers real quick?
Sir, yeah, grab him, because, yeah, he should be getting arrested as well. If you're going to grab him on me, he should be getting arrested as well.
35, show me
And this is embarrassing. Where am I going? Where am I going, bro?
I don't know. It should be on there.
It's right on the. It should be on the
Sir,
camera.
Not on
can you let me go, please? Because your arm is very tight. Your hand is very hard and tight on my arm. I'm calm. Like, you're squeezing the out my arm right now.
Okay. Might as well just walk it back.
Like, for real.
Walk it back.
Okay.
See right here.
Hey, Silky, we're gonna need you for a search. When we get in the office, you search it. Thank you. What's insane, man?
All of it.
We got numerous calls that you're beating the crap out of this guy. So what's insane? Your actions is insane. Okay? You dig down deep and figure out what you did today. Why you going to jail?
I didn't do nothing. He was arresting me as well. So if I'm being arrested, he should be arrested too. Because I got slammed on my ass and all that. But y'all don't see none of that, so it don't matter.
Resort and other ground transportation
Not reading the report because I have the right to know what's being against.
Okay. That's the other lady but the first one is the lady that tried to break it up and then she came after her.
No, I didn't.
So she's lying. Everybody's lying. All these people got in this conspiracy and said, we're going to make up a story and
When the
believe
gateway stops, please exit.
All I know
Listen how crazy that
All
sounds.
I know is he slammed me on my ass and I backed out.
And you're the only one that saw this.
Whenever
Everybody
I
else
hear
is
from there, then I don't know. I was defending
All right, stand up, stand up.
Okay, I'll stand up.
All right, we'll walk out that door.
All right, all
The doors
right.
are now opening.
Okay, I don't need no extra aggressiveness or nothing.
So you guys come down here from New York thinking that we're gonna
Oh,
tolerate that
I haven't
foolishness.
even traveled. I never
right.
traveled before.
Didn't even make it to
And if
Florida
you
and you
can
acting
look,
like a
I
clown.
don't have no record. I don't, like, this is not, I have a very professional job and I don't do this. So it is what it is. It is bigger than me. Like, that's crazy.
Okay.
That's crazy. I care about the whole female kind who's 10 times bigger than me. Because I don't care about nothing like that. And it's my birthday. I don't care about that.
Happy birthday.
We were drinking. I don't know
You're
what
not gonna say
happened from
thank
there.
you.
I don't know what happened from
Sir.
there. I just know I was drinking. If I blacked out, I apologize. I don't know. But that's what all I got. That's all I can do.
Go ahead, sir.
That's all I can give y'all. I blacked out. I was drinking. I thought I was going to put Risa. And that's it.
Okay. So we're gonna switch the room real quick.
Sarge, go ahead.
I thought I was going to.
Yeah, I'm by the police truck. Where you guys at?
We just walked her in. We're in the landside office. We just walked in here.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
The footage speaks volumes. But in the court of public opinion, what's your verdict?